Say hi. You with your shenanigans today. It's early. We got a lot to do, and you are going at it. All right, y'all. This is it. This is our new baby. Just bought her. Look at this. This is our new baby, the V-Lite. So go ahead, tell them about it. Tell them what you want to tell them.
All right, y'all. So we're back from Mexico.
Pick Scott up. All right, go ahead.
Back from Mexico, and we decided we're gonna try out this RV life. So we was just riding. We seen the place. We pulled up, asked some questions, and we found one we liked. And this is it. Flagstaff V-Lite, 2018, and it's a specific reason we chose this model. We're gonna show y'all when we go inside.
We just bought it like yesterday, so we're here to pick it up today.
I don't know how to use none of this shit, y'all. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. We're gonna figure it out.
You going in? All right, let's go.
Yeah, make sure it works. Oh, we got a TV. I was gonna say we need to get a TV in our room.
All right, this is it. You wanna?
So look,
we can do a full in-depth tour, but just a little brief.
Just a little razzle dazzle. While I said we chose this specific model, you notice this is the kids area. So it's a bed here, it's a seat area for them to chill here. It's another bed here, and an area for the TV, and like a closet. But that don't matter. We're not really trying to show y'all too much of that. The biggest, excuse me, baby. The biggest cool part we like is being able to close this door and have some privacy.
You said you like to be able to close the door?
Close that door and have some privacy. But check me out on this side, man. Like I said, y'all can get a full review another time. But right now, this is the quarters. Come on, boo. You scared?
Come on, Scott Bite.
You scared? Come on.
She said it's moving. We ain't got it set up right.
I don't think it's level, but this is the main room. And as we said, we like our, hold on, oh, it's locked, hold on one second. As I said, we like our privacy. So listen, this is a 2018, this was the last year. This is 2018, this is the last year they made this model. And this model specifically, it has the closed off bedroom for the primary.
This is our technician. I'll give you the walkthrough.
Okay,
hi.
Cool. Come on, boo. Come on.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Aisha. Nice
Chad.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Chad. Sam. Yes.
All right, so we are very new to YouTube. We're recording a video, but we're very new to RV, so we need all the words.
We don't know anything.
Are you guys bloggers?
Yes.
That's so cool. You gotta send me your channel.
We got you.
We
That's
will.
why we said you wanted a review. We're going to give you the best review you can get, man. You're coming on our new journey with us.
Thank you, guys.
Okay, well, this is a unique unit.
Do you mind being recorded
No.
for YouTube? Okay. John, right? What was it?
Chad.
Chad, that's John.
Oh.
That's Chad, yeah.
Guys, this is Chad. He's the RV tech. He's going to tell us all about this RV. Get us ready. Let's go.
Okay. So, we'll start at the front.
I got you.
You got a really cool bunkhouse.
Okay, bunkhouse.
So,
Let's see here.
this during the day is a couch, and at night you can take this out and it makes into a bed.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay, so you can move it down too. Okay, cool.
Cool.
Yeah, you can take these out and then just lay your
Oh, you like that,
sheet.
huh? She's
And-
already ready to go to sleep.
And it becomes a bed. Okay, that's nice. I like that.
And then for the little bit bigger, you
Kids.
got the upper bunks.
Gotcha.
This one,
Oh, wow.
it's missing a. But basically, that's so you don't knock your head when you're sitting down.
Oh, so you
Okay.
can lift it up. Gotcha.
I like that. Nice.
Didn't know
Okay.
it did that.
Me
Got 2
either.
windows, 3 windows in here. All open, looks like.
Okay.
You got a space here if you want to put a little TV for the kiddos to watch.
Okay.
Gotcha.
And this It's for the TV?
This is
It's probably the regular stereo for the RV
Yeah.
one. Oh no, this is a regular stereo.
sorry.
Some type of FM radio. We'll deal with that later, no worries. Okay, what else?
I'm gonna lay the baby down. Excuse me.
Okay, so you got your control center here.
Okay, this is important. This is the part I need.
So, with your meter, press the button for whichever you're checking the battery. Battery's full, that's because you got it plugged in right now.
Oh, wow.
Fresh tank,
I like that.
you know,
Water, just fresh water.
fresh water.
Right.
Right. So it's empty because
There's nothing in here.
There's
No,
nothing.
no water's connected. Gotcha. Black is the
Black is
toilet
the
water.
toilet.
Gotcha. But that needs to be empty. Gray. Okay. There's 2 gray tanks.
it says there are. So
Okay.
I assume there are.
Okay. 2 gray tanks, a black tank, and then a freshwater tank.
Okay.
And then the first one is the battery. He said it's full because it's plugged up right now.
Gotcha.
So, this is your water heater.
Okay.
You can either use electric when you're plugged in,
Okay.
or you can use propane.
Okay.
You just pick whichever one you want.
Okay. And it just heats the water. Is it a thermostat for the water, or how did you?
It's automatic. It's set to 120.
Okay. Gotcha.
So
Okay. Good.
Because everything get cold.
if you're
She woke him up.
cold climate, if you are using your fresh water tank instead of city water, that's what the pump is for.
Fresh water.
Yeah, if you'll fill the tank before you go on your trip, when you get to your trip, it'll create pressure just like you're normally hooked up to a hose.
With the fresh water that's in there. Okay, gotcha. Okay. So you don't need this when you got it connected, when you hooked up.
Right. When
Okay.
you're at a place park that has water, you don't need the pump.
Okay, gotcha.
So most of the time, I suspect you won't need it.
Gotcha. Slides. I need to figure out how those work. We haven't even seen those in action yet. Slides.
Skylar, get over here.
Get back. Get back.
Come.
It's closing.
Basically, just in and out.
Okay, so up is in.
Same with the other one.
Oh, that one right there.
Okay.
Okay. What else do we need to?
What
so all
about?
of this?
Go ahead.
Okay, so we got the double sink. No water. Does this light work, or do we need to do something for these?
Skylar, get over here.
They work. Let me turn the gas on.
You want to go see how to turn the gas on?
Yeah. You see how that's done.
This is our little place. You like it in here? Leave that door alone. Leave that door alone. Thank you. Come here, Booty. Come in here. Come here, Boo. It's nice, right? Look, we got a TV right here. Ooh, look at this mirror. So this is gonna be our bedroom. There's a queen bed in here. We got a TV, we got mirrors, we got windows on both sides of the bed. We got our bed here. Got some storage up there. Leave this door alone, Sky.
It was on.
Oh, it's on?
Gotta turn the gas on in the propane tank, and you hit the igniter.
And it'll work.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
That's perfect. Automatic refrigerator and temperature control. Okay.
Yeah. So these refrigerators are called absorption fridge.
Okay.
So they work on ammonia as opposed to freon.
Okay.
I don't know how much you know about refrigerator. These are very unique.
Okay.
So this can work either on propane or electricity.
Refrigerator.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
So you've got your cooling unit is right here, and that it freezes, but it also pulls these fins, and you can adjust your temperature.
Oh, that's how you use the. Okay.
Skylar.
Part of the end.
Leave it alone. So with the gas, do we need to turn it off or anything before we move? Or we just leave it, like you just lit the stove?
That's one of those philosophical questions where
Okay.
half the people insist you
Turn it off.
Shut it off, and half say no, it's
Don't.
no big deal.
Okay. So we'll just see what works for us. Okay, gotcha. Okay, cool. So that's the.
This is your power distribution, breakers and fuses.
Okay.
This is a carbon monoxide detector.
Okay.
So it's just like a smoke detector, but it's for the propane and for noxious gases. So
It
if
just
that goes
goes
off,
off. Okay.
you want to go out.
Gotcha. So it's Hitch or something?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it's very, very new.
Okay.
Well, no.
Okay, and the bathroom. Did you you already know about the hoses and stuff?
What hoses? No, we ain't been outside yet.
Oh, okay.
That's outside.
What about this? Little thermostat.
So, are you familiar with zoning?
Yes.
So, this has two ACs.
Okay. So it's a main one and one in the bedroom back here.
So
Okay.
you can see your zone. Toilets, instead of a little handle, you've got a little foot flush.
Okay, and water goes in there or no?
Yes.
Once-
Water will spin.
Once we turn the water on. Okay, gotcha. Okay.
For what?
For the TV? Does it have one?
Let me inside the house. I like how everything got like a class for
Yeah, you
Yeah, because everything moves when it.
don't want it just
Yeah.
sliding.
Yeah. USB chargers here. Okay.
We may need to buy a remote.
Probably a universal remote
Yeah,
or something.
we'll get one.
Stabilizer's off, you can make a lot tighter turn.
Okay.
Because what those are trying to do is keep that RV from doing this. So let me
Gotcha.
see if I have something we can get him off with.
Okay, please. Thank you. Man, that boy Lou in there giving game on me. That boy Lou giving you game now, y'all. If you're in the RV life, man, don't talk to that boy Lou. That boy Lou gonna get you right. That boy Lou gonna show you what to do and how to do it. He checking to see if he has something to take the stabilizers off. He said it's gonna be kind of difficult to bag into the spot with them on, so it's easier to pop them off now, so we can bag in and drop it and then move forward. But I'm like, I don't have shit to take that shit off, so. That look like something that's made to do this job.
No, it's for turning water off.
Ah.
It might do the same thing here. What I'm gonna need you to do, Sam, when I lift up, pull this down.
Okay. Let me come in here. Okay. Yeah, you make it look a lot easier than the guy at the spot. Took him about an hour, man. Let me show the other side. But he's a pro with it. So you gotta lift the whole fucking truck up.
This thing sway on you any?
No, not at all.
What I'll tell you, just experience. If it would start to sway, and you get the regular tool's a little easier to use. You can basically do it with one hand. If it would start to sway, you can put it on a link tighter.
Ah, okay.
You know, once you hook it to this link in the down position, then you can take this might do it too.
Ah, and pull it down. Gotcha.
Yeah, that's easier than lifting up. Maybe. Let's do it the other way. That other bar that you will buy, going to be shorter.
I might just need to get the bar. I might not even need a new mount or receiver.
No. All you need is a bar.
Okay.
Because that bar is only going to be about this long.
Okay.
A piece of pipe would even work.
Ah, okay.
You know, because all I'm doing is releasing it. When you're going to hook these back up, you're going to hook your chain.
Uh-huh.
And then take that piece of bar, put it on like I did, and
All
hook
done.
it up. Yeah. All I'm doing now is taking the pressure off so that you can.
Do that. Thank you so much. Now I gotta take these off.
Yeah. Makes it easier. That's it.
Thank you so much, sir. Goodness. Figured I'd ask before, then after, when I got stuck or confused.
Now, why they have this on here too, but
That's not for it, or?
it's for it, but we gotta get it off.
So it only needs these 2 bars. It doesn't need that additional situation.
What that's doing is taking some of the bounce out of it. These are helping with your sway.
Okay.
You could go down the road sometime without that hooked up and see.
Okay. Need a hammer or some shit, huh?
You know what? Let's leave this here. And I'll ride back. You get back in. That may pop off once we take the weight off your tongue.
Okay.
All right.
Perfect. Thank you.
I don't remember how to use those.
Thank you.